knew that I'd be down for the fall if it happened. So much unspoken.
How do you do, YouTube fam, and how are you doing? Coming to you straight up from the Peekays kitchen. We agreed that guys on Tuesday and Friday we'll be giving you a video. And today, the first Tuesday of May, guys, we are giving you me in the kitchen. One of the Peekays in the kitchen, guys. But for now, guys, I'm here to welcome you to the kitchen. But before that, all the new members who are here, asanteni sana, and thank you very much for coming on board. And here we always give you a chorus. Goes like this. Welcome now working our Peekays. Sit down. So feel free, sit down. All the OGs who are around, guys, make it fast. Chai, nini, gang members, mwape chai. There's a tent to your right. Go and sit there. All the chefs will bring you something to have there. But before that, guys, also the gang members, thank you very much, guys. You're very for your love, your support, and always being here to share our content. So let's go straight into today's video and we'll see what happens. Now, msisahau to subscribe and also turn on your notification bell, which is somewhere here. Ka bell hapo and subscribe, guys. Asanteni sana. You've been coming to our DMs and saying, tunataka hizo recipes, tunataka hizo whatever. Yani, you want those ideas we've been throwing down. Hakuna recipe, no book, nothing, no script. This is just on creation. So today we have an idea here. We have struggled, me and Babe, to create a name for it. Hatuna Gina. If you guys have a name for this, you can just tell us. So we'll show you straight the ingredients we need. We have here. Twende kwa nini kabisa straight. This is Brawn. Kawaida, what you get in the supermarket or farmer's choice. Brawn. Just now, that's a handful. What you want. This is French beans, Michiri. This is yellow and red capsicum. Kawaida, red onion. This is corn, sweet corn. This one you can either buy from the supermarket or you can just buy the corn itself and boil it. There's corn, usually corn na with the mushakwe. The whole corn with the mushakwe. You can get that and boil it. This cooking oil, vegetable oil kawaida, and soy sauce. This one also you can substitute this for coconut oil or olive oil, which is much healthier. So either of that. So hapa ni just playing around with all this. We're trying to minimize the calories because actually Babe is on a journey. She's trying to eat healthy. Okay, so we are trying to minimize the carbs in her diet. But if you want to serve it with anything like a slice of chapati, whatever you feel or you fancy, fair enough. But here ndio tuko nayo hapa, so let's go straight into this and throw this down quickly. Now it doesn't take so much of your time. In the morning you wake up or usiku kuja, prepare this, leave it, put in the fridge. In the morning amuka, kabisa, and you're good to go. So we start kama kawaida with this. Mimi, I prefer the onions zikiwa just slightly fried, not like ati brown, but si ati wezi zifry mpaka zikuwe golden brown. So just translucent kidogo, and then we throw in French beans. Michiri is what goes in here together. It cooks a bit, then we'll come in with the other things after this. Unakuna mafuta, there is no oil ati floating nini because we're trying to minimize that. Ingekuwa ni olive oil, better. So there's no oil floating or uko ndani. So you don't want to overcook Michiri or other vegetables. So just unapika tu kidogo tu your preference. And also the babe was asking kama kuna spices you can also add if you like. Just I think what you can put black pepper, garam masala, Royco cube, the Rico cube ones, and maybe what? Yeah, those ones. And maybe garlic powder if you don't have garlic. Also, you can add. You can also add garlic as well. Also. So let me add a bit of soy sauce. A bit of soy sauce. That's it. Oh guys, and I also wanted to say that in this meal you can also add tomatoes, nyanya as well also. They go very well with this all. So you can add nyanya. Watu wa nini wa ketchup pia. Watu wa ketchup tuko hapa lakini hatuna ketchup, so we use it as a substitute.
Watu wa pepta.
Watu wa pepta tupanane one corner,
but ketchup is the best.
Ketchup is the best.
Thicker.
Yeah. You notice I have not added salt because soy sauce normally has a lot of salt. Chumvi na kama kibao hapo ndani, so there's no salt here. We'll taste and see how it is. Then from there we'll decide kama tutameza kachumvi or not. Or if you're adding spices like Royco cube, then Knorr cube, they also have salt. So if you add salt and add them, it should be a little bit too on the higher side. So let's add the prawns. After we're almost done here, guys. Brawn.
Nipe kamoja.
Eh?
Kamoja.
You want one?
Yeah.
Please. So you only need the corn. Kiasi yenye utataka kwa nayo kwa hiyo meal.
Is there a difference between the sweet corn
And what?
and the normal corn? It's sweet.
Maize, this is sweet. Kuna tofauti. It's just maize ni kawaida, but that's it. So I think that's enough for this meal. That's it. Things like prawn, they are already ready to eat. Corn is also ready to eat. So you just put in the back of the zip a bit warm. Especially if you had put them in the fridge. Then that's all you're trying to do here. See, it is naiva. And just like that, this is ready, guys. This is so ready.
It looks
Yep.
beautiful.
Yeah.
So we serve it.
So you should have it just now. Okay guys, that's it. We are done. Ready to serve. Actually, I'm already served. So now, very quick, very fast, and to make out a lot of carbs and unhealthiness in this food. So that's a quick one. So pale kwa comments, just tell us what you want us to name this meal. Tuanze kuzipea majina. Let's give them names, and also try this and come and tell us how you like this meal. You feel free to also play around with it as well. Also, you can leave something, can add something. Tuambie pale. Easily just hints, guys. So we'll have others that will be coming your way every single Tuesday alternately right here on this channel, guys. And asanteni sana for always staying here and tuning and watching and sharing our content. Asanteni sana, guys, for subscribing. So see you in the next episode of Live, Love and Learn in the kitchen from the Peekays, or in the Peekays kitchen, guys. Bye. Know your stuff.
And I wanna be stranded with you.